Alright, well, wait.
James?
Did I seriously?
Your camera's off, James.
I almost lost Wi-Fi.
There we
Wait,
go,
why
there
is
we go, there we
my
go.
camera's...
James.
Oh, sure.
Since you're unboxing one of these round scoundrels, you should put it up to the once you get out of the package, you should just put it up to the camera like this and go wow 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 wow.
Here, we'll do that.
We should do that. Although mine's not.
I really hope it's yellow. I really hope it's yellow.
It's not.
I really hope that it has the crappy sensor straight out of 86.
Well, this thing. The both sensors. Sensors and the AAA are junk either way.
Alright.
Look at this junk. This feels like it's gonna break. Hold on, I want to
It's a plastic one.
stay with your keyboard. Oh my goodness.
I see it. It's a plastic sensor. It's plastic. I see it.
There's the manual.
And you know what? Listen, I'm gonna mute you because of the.
You can't get it to work.
Hey, sorry for muting you.
No way, whacking.
Wait. Oh, wait a minute.
It's plastic. Okay, Nathan, now we can hear your question.
Okay, I do have a question. What's so special about this?
It's dinner brand. That's it. That's literally it.
Oh, really?
That's literally it.
Oh. It's not
I'm guessing James will do
It does. It does. It does do 4.6.
Yeah, and this
Not gonna let it run because it's
Oh wait, James, does yours have an LED or not?
Yes, it does.
HDR.
Whoa.
Ooh,
That's the thing. I don't have a true AAA because this has an LED. Therefore, it's an 83R.
So yeah, this one is the 055103. This is the later version of the of where is it? Of this one. This is the first generation version. This is the older cover design.
That's the one I found where the cover was like dangling, like hold the whack and warm.
So yeah.
Yeah, that Wake and Warm AAA has a plastic sensor, and I am not happy about it.
You're not happy
So anyways,
with any Family Guard or Modern Awakening product.
so yeah, that's
Well, here's the thing. A Family Guard 79R based unit and older were actually okay.
Except for the FG 1839N, that can go to hell.
anyways, yeah, we'll put
Do
If
not
they made an
for it.
1769. Hopefully my laptop stops picking up its own sound again.
What time is it? Oh my god.
9:51 Eastern Standard Time.
So anyways, I'll get back to you guys tomorrow. Alright, I'll get back to you guys tomorrow once I figure out... Wow. Once I figure out the space age and I get new batteries.
So that's what it is.